Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. We were doing tenses. Yesterday we did present tense. Today we will do past tense. First of all, we will do past indefinite tense, that is also called simple past tense. It denotes a single act in the past. Second form of verb is used in all singular and plural objects. Did not is used to form negative sentence, and second form of verb is never written with did. When we are using did, then we use first form of the verb. They did not write a letter. We cannot write they did not wrote a letter. We cannot use two second forms of verbs in the same sentence. When we have to form an interrogative sentence, questioning sentence, then did is written at the beginning of the interrogative sentence. Second is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to denote an action which was going on at some point in the past, and first form of the verb with beginning with ing is used. We use say was with the singular and were with the plurals. And to form a negative sentence, we use was not or were not. And to form an interrogative, was not or were not will be used at the beginning of the sentence. She was reading the book. Negative, she was not reading the book. And to form a interrogative, was she reading the book? Past perfect. Perfect means complete, done. Past perfect tense is used for an action that was completed at some point in the past before another action began. We use had for the had with the third form of the verb for the past perfect tense. If we have to form a negative sentence, then we use not between had and the third form of the verb. And similarly, to form an interrogative sentence, we start it with has, had, and the continuity of the sentence. Next is past perfect continuous tense is used for the actions that started at some time in the past but which had been going on. It was not finished yet, and we use since or for. For since is used to denote the point of time, and for is used for the period of time. We use had been with the first form of the verb, and to form an interrogative we use had not or with third form of the first form of the verb with ing. If we want to change an interrogative sentence, we start with the verb had. For example, I had been playing football since morning. I had been playing football since morning, and I had been playing football for 2 days. Since and for. Since where time is given, and for where period is given. I hope you have understand it. You have understood it, and you will help yourself to do these exercises.